Namaskar students. This video for class 10 lesson number 2 traditional handicrafts and fine arts of ancient India. In this video we will study three topics. First the leather industries, second diamond bead and enamel work, and third the jari work. So let's start the first, the leather industries. So in the leather industries the primitive man is also used the skin of the dead animals, the skin of the animals, and doing the process with the traditional manners and made a different usable things. In the ancient time also the primitive man had used these types of the process for making a different things from the leather, and they had made the masak. The masak, that means a bag, a leather bag that used for fetching waters. Kos, drum, dholak, tabla, that is a musical instrument, and in this instrument the leather is also used. The bellows of the blacksmith, लोहार जो होता है वो अपने प्रोसेस में भी एक लेदर मटेरियल यूज्ड करता है, that is called the bellows. So the primitive man is also made the different things, the footwear, the leather belt to tie animals, shield, and that types of the shield is used by the warriors, by the soldiers in the war, in the traditional war in the ancient times. So these types of the material is used by the primitive man. Today in the modern India, today in the modern age also, the different types of the leather material is used. For example, Rajasthan is famous for their traditional mojadi, and from the leather we made the shoes, purses, belts, and for horse and chemicals there is a special kind of that is a things, saj, palam and lagam and whip. These types of the material, these types of the things that is used for horse and camel. साज, पलान, लगाम, that means आपने देखा होगा कि भाई घोड़े और जो ऊंट है उसके ऊपर एक लेदर का एक पूरा एक प्रकार की ऐसी गादी होती है, वो गद्दी होती है, वो लेदर में से बनी होती है. उनका जो हंटर, उसका जो लगाम पकड़ने का वो चाबुक हंटर, that is also made from the leather. So these are regarding about the information of the leather industries of our ancient India. Leather industries can be asked in your exam, 2 mark short note leather industries. Next very important short note, diamond bead and enamel work. The 3 points covered this topic, diamond bead and enamel work. So let's start this topic. All of you know our coastal boundary. The Indian coastal boundary is 7,500 from this Gujarat to from this West Bengal. 7,517 kilometer. The south, the ancient, the Indian coastal boundary. So we have plenty of diamonds and different types of these types of the precious stones available in these oceans, because the nature has given the gift to us the longest coastal boundary, 7,570 kilometer. So from the Indian Ocean, from the Bay of Bengal and from the Arabian Sea, we got a plenty of the precious stones and diamonds. And Indians are also very fond of ornaments, very fond of diamonds. हमारे आज प्राचीन भारत के या तो आप हमारे देश के जो राजा महाराजाओं को आपने देखा होगा कि हमेशा वो आभूषणों से ऐसे सुसज्ज होते हैं, वो मोती, सोना, चांदी, गहना. मतलब इंडियंस आर फॉन्ड ऑफ द ऑर्नामेंट, इंडियंस आर द फॉन्ड ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द डायमंड्स एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द ज्वेलरी. हम शौकीन है प्राचीन भारत से. इंडिया वॉज अ गोल्डन बर्ड इन एंशिएंट इंडिया. यहाँ पे सोना, चांदी और प्लेंटी ऑफ यहाँ पे वेल्थ था. So Indians are very fond of the different types of the diamonds and different types of the precious stones. The Kohinoor, the world famous, all of you know the Kohinoor Hira, the Kohinoor diamond, and the Great Mughal, that is also the name of one diamond, Great Mughal. And these two diamonds, the precious world famous diamond, that is found from the Indian water body only. So it is the importance of our diamond work and our the great Mughal and Kohinoor, that is also the diamond found from our coastal boundary. So our Indian people, the primitive people also, and today modern people also are very fond of these types of the diamonds and materials used. The jewelry, they use the gold, silver, diamond, and also studded this diamond in the ornaments. राजा महाराजाओं के आपने मुकुट देखे होंगे, इवन हमारे जो जो भगवान है उनके भी आपने मुकुट देखे होंगे, तो उसके अंदर मोतियों से और हीरो से वो स्टडन होते हैं, उसके अंदर लगाए हुए होते हैं. So it is the world famous artistic skill of our ancient India. So the second, that is about the diamonds, rubies, beads, emerald, topaz. These are the very precious stones, names of the different precious stones. Diamond, you all of you know, diamond means hira. Rubies means manik. Beads मतलब मोती. Emerald मतलब नीलमणि. और topaz मतलब पोखराज. That means the different types of the precious stones. मोती, हीरा, manik, moti, nilmani, and pokhraj. These are the different types of the precious stones that is found from the Indian ocean, from the Indian water bodies. For the beadwork मतलब मोती काम. The Gujarat is famous for the beadwork also. The different materials of the Gujarat is famous. The torans, the beadwork of the torans, pots, the bari, that is from used in a door side, the chakda, that is a wall piece, these types of the material. Lagnana nadiye, that means the decorated, the coconut, the indoni, modia, that means it is used to cover to bullock and horse, cover of the mouth. So these types of the material, hand fans, jewel, these all types of the materials used in a very famous in Gujarat, and these materials made from the different types of the diamonds. आज भी अपने गुजरात में या सौराष्ट्र में या ट्रेडिशनल कोई गांव में जाओगे तो उसके घर के अंदर डायमंड से ये अलग अलग प्रकार के जो बीड से, मोतियों से भरे हुए अलग अलग प्रकार के वॉल पीस जो है, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द मटेरियल्स यू कैन सी इन द स्टेट ऑफ गुजरात. सो दीज आर रिगार्डिंग अबाउट द बीड वर्क. फर्स्ट, दैट इज अ डायमंड वर्क. Second, bead work, that means moti work. And third, that is a enamel work. That is enamel. Please listen carefully. What is a enamel work? Enamel work, that means the artistic skill to inlaying the bright colors red, green, blue. Inlaying this color in a gold and silver ornaments. सोने और चांदी के गहनों के ऊपर कलर करने का काम. कौन से कलर? रेड, ग्रीन एंड ब्लू कलर. दैट इज इनलेइंग these three colors into the gold and silver ornaments, and these types of the artistic, that is work skill, is known as the enamel work. And this enamel work is the world famous enamel work of our India. Our Indian artisans and our Indian skillful workers, only these workers can do this in all over the world. ये पूरे दुनिया के अंदर भारत की एक प्राचीनतम कला है जो सिर्फ भारतीय कारीगरों द्वारा ही ये बनाया जाता है. The different types of the ornaments in the rings, bangles, earrings, chain, in the different types of the ornaments inlaying these three colors, red, green and blue, and that is called the enamel work. And the four cities are famous for the enamel work: Jaipur, Delhi, Lucknow, Varanasi. Jaipur, Delhi, Lucknow, Varanasi and Hyderabad. These 5 cities are famous for this inlaying work, enamel work in our India. So these are the short note of diamond work, bead work and enamel work. Very important short note, and it can be asked in your examination. The last is the jari work. The last topic of this video is the jari work. What is a jari work? Jari work, that means gold and silver types of the threads, that is woven and embroidery is done to decorate the clothes. क्लोथ को डेकोरेट करने के लिए, मतलब एक प्रकार का एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क, लेकिन वहां पे गोल्ड और सिल्वर के जो है वो थ्रेड यूज होते हैं, जो एम्ब्रॉयडरी के अंदर, ये जो कपड़े के अंदर उसको डेकोरेट करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. एंड फॉर दिस वर्क द सूरत ऑफ गुजरात, the Surat city of the Gujarat is very famous for the jari work in all over the India. The knitting work of the Surat, the embroidery work of the Surat, the Jardoshi work of the Surat, there is a very unique place in all over the India. And the workers of the Surat and the skillful laborers, the skillful artistic laborers of the Surat has made a very beautiful types of the dresses, sari, panetar, garchola, etc. This material, this is the women's material made very beautifully and artistically way in the Surat. जैसे आपने बहुत ही सुना होगा भाई, आपने कहीं वैसे किसी मार्केट के अंदर बोर्ड देखा भाई सूरतनी साड़ियों मळशे. That is, Surat is very famous for these types of the jari work, and sari, Surat sari of the Surat is also very famous in India and in Gujarat also. So these are the three topics of the lesson number 2. These two short note is very important: leather industries and diamond bead and enamel work. These two short note you have to write down in your notebook. In next video we will study the different metal work, akik work, painting work in our next video. Thank you.